Today's tutorial I will tell you that how you can use object selection tool. Yes, now this is available on Photoshop 2020 as well. So first of all, you have to import your image just like this, and you can see that Shutterstock is written on my image. Now what you have to do is to click on your image and convert it to rasterize layer. Now you have to go to this object selection tool, or you can press W. Have to drag this tool like this, and this will select all the text on your image. Now go to select, modify and expand. You can expand by this on any number you want. I have selected 10 pixels for this. Press OK, then go to go to edit, fill, and the opacity should be 100%. Select OK. Ta-da! Magic! I hope you like this video. Kindly like my tutorial and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.